In this video, we will discuss the 5 best floor jacks for trucks. After watching the video, you can decide which one is best for you. If you want to know more information on these products, don't forget to check the links in the description down below and subscribe to the channel for future updates. So let's get started. Number 1. Big Red TA920006 Torin Pneumatic Bottle Jack. For getting heavy-duty vehicles up off the ground, Big Red's Torin Pneumatic Bottle Jack has what it takes to get the job done. This bottle jack has an air-powered pump that operates with compressed air, making lifting heavy vehicles a breeze. It also has a hydraulic backup to pump it up when a compressor isn't available. This Big Red floor jack features a wide, rugged base for stability and heavy-duty steel construction. The air pump has an operational range between 100 and 175 psi, and users can control the height with the thumb-activated trigger. The lifting range on this Big Red floor jack is between 10.5 inches and just over 20 inches, while the weight capacity is up to 20 tons, making it a solid choice for lifting heavy trucks and SUVs. Number 2. E-Heelp 5-ton electric car jack lift kit. The E-Heelp electric car jack kit has just about anything an SUV or truck driving motorist on the side of the road could need in a pinch. It features an electric jack, an impact wrench for loosening and tightening lug nuts, a flashlight, an air compressor, and some emergency tools. Both the electric jack and the air compressor run on the vehicle's 12-volt power. The electric jack has 5 tons of lifting capacity and a lifting range between 6.1 inches and 17.7 inches. While this jack does have heavy-duty lifting capabilities, the entire kit weighs just over 20 pounds. The jack also fits nicely in the small toolkit with the other tools, allowing users to store them underneath their truck seats or in the trunk of their SUV. Number 3. Big Red Steel Scissor Lift Jack. Those who want a little more security when doing car maintenance can rely on this scissor car jack from Big Red. Made with heavy-duty forged alloy steel, this option is safe to use as a replacement or utility jack, as it has a height range of 4.125 to 15.125 inches and can hold up to 1.5 tons need more. This option also has an extra wide base for supporting large loads, and the one-piece handle delivers quick responses when working on the vehicle. Finally, this model is small when collapsed and can fit in a truck toolbox or the trunk of a car for quick access during roadside fixes or tire changes. Number 4. Arcan Aluminum Floor Jack. Arcan's 3-ton quick-rise aluminum floor jack is a lightweight upgrade worth checking out. This jack features aircraft-grade aluminum construction that weighs just 56 pounds. It also has a lifting range between 3.78 inches and 18.9 inches, giving this jack enough lift for most EVs and light-duty trucks. There's also a counterweight pawl that drops in place while jacking, preventing this jack from lowering on its own. This quality floor jack features dual pump pistons that make lifting the vehicle faster and easier. The Arcan also has a long reinforced handle with a padded section for avoiding vehicle damage. This jack has a rubber saddle pad for maintaining a sure grip on the jacking point, and it has a wide footprint for stability under load. Number 5. Powerbuilt Uni Jack Bottle Jack. Home mechanics on a budget are always looking for versatile tools that will save them money. That's just what the Powerbuilt All-in-One does. This bottle jack and jack stand combination will lift a 6,000-pound vehicle while also converting to a jack stand to safely hold it in place. The Powerbuilt All-in-One has a lifting range between 11 inches and 21 inches, giving it plenty of range for almost any truck or SUV at factory height. It has a specially designed lift arm with multiple locking points for quick lifting and securing the jack in place. And at just 22 pounds, it's light enough to place in a trunk or a truck bed toolbox for roadside repairs.
All products pricing and updates mentioned in the video are in the description below. If you liked this video and it helped you out in any way, please give the video a like and hit that subscribe button. Stay updated with our excellent product and makes your life much easier. Hope to see you guys in the next video. Have a good day. Thank you.